Good morning YouTube. Welcome to day 2 of my mini Isle of Mull tour. So last night we stayed at Fidden Farm Campsite, which I'll be doing again tonight. Had a good night's sleep. It was a wee bit windy, but nothing horrendous, so it's okay. So today we're going to do a lap of the island, probably lots of stops for photographs and other things. Got the drone with me, but we'll see how the wind does. Currently it's a bit windy, so please enjoy this tour around Mull. Welcome to the Isle of Mull, a gem of the Inner Hebrides in Scotland. Covering 338 square miles, it's the 4th largest Scottish island. Tobermory, the island's capital, is famous for its vibrant waterfront and historic distillery. Mull is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, home to golden eagles, otters and seals. Don't miss Duart Castle, a 13th century fortress with stunning views of the Sound of Mull. Easily accessible by ferry, Mull offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and rich history. As I rode north, passing small cottages and towering cliffs, I found myself wondering what it would be like here in winter with Atlantic storms crashing on the coastline. Right, I've stopped just for a wee rest. This place is amazing. The scenery is phenomenal. The sun was out. You see, even with this wee bit of cloud, I think it makes it quite atmospheric. Stunning. The road is actually really good as well. Really good road surface. Look at this. I'm stopping like every 2 minutes to take photographs and stuff, so I'll have millions of photos. But hey ho. And look, little duckie's still with me. Oh, I've lost his propeller. Oh well, it blew away. Never mind. And the VCB 500X is performing first class. Right, let's get the camera out and get some more photographs. So this is Calgary Bay. I've stopped for a rest. You see this in a lot of photographs of Mull if you're looking online. Calgary Bay is a big kind of horseshoe shaped beach. Fantastic sands. It's really nice and golden. The tide's out just now. If this tide was in, it'd be right up near the grass there, but it's just absolutely stunning. And the sun's starting to come out a wee bit as well. We'll go for a walk here, get some photographs, then get back on the bike. We'll head round to Tobermory. We'll stop there for a wee while and get something to eat. I'm really enjoying it so far. The weather's been good, a bit overcast but dry. And the roads are actually pretty good as well. I think I mentioned that, but the road surface is nice. After leaving Calgary Bay, I started gaining altitude quite quickly. I came across several of these switchback turns, which were easy to negotiate if I kept the revs up. As I got closer to Tobermory, there was a notable increase in traffic, including a few tour buses. Welcome to Tobermory, the jewel of the Isle of Mull. Known for its vibrant harbourfront, Tobermory is a picturesque Scottish town full of charm. These iconic, brightly painted buildings are a photographer's dream, whilst the bustling harbour offers fresh seafood and local crafts. Don't miss a visit to the Tobermory distillery, where you can taste some of Scotland's finest whisky. Right folks, that was Tobermory. Mental busy. A cruise ship's in, so it's like full of tourists. It's a tourist place anyway. Right, fueled up. Good to go. Right, so we've just been at Tobermory, which is basically the furthest point away from the campsite. So I've got 60 miles. I'm just heading back leisurely, back through Mull, back to Fidden Farm Campsite where I'm staying, and we're back to single track. Well, that was just a quick stop at Duart Castle. Took some photographs, but I didn't go in. You know, castles sometimes they're good, sometimes they're a bit crap. Didn't want to spend a tenner to find out. Right, so we're on the last stretch back to the campsite. The weather has turned beautiful. So hopefully it's still like this when we get back to the tent. It's been windy, so I hope the tent's still there. That'll be funny. I just stopped here for a few minutes for a wee rest. This is apparently the Three Lochs viewpoint. Now I don't know why it's three, because I can only see two. Maybe there's one just down there that I can't see, but it's nice. I don't know why, I just thought of like the RAF maybe using that. Could you imagine a couple of fast jets flying through here? That'd be quite cool. I don't think they do use Mull as a training ground though. Right, picture time. Right, that's us back in Fidden Port. The campsite's just up the road. My battery's about to die, so I don't actually know if we'll make it. Well, what a day that was. That's me just back at the tent. I've been back for about an hour or so. My camera battery died just before I got in the campsite, as I'd mentioned, so I didn't get any footage of me rolling up to the tent, but never mind, I'm here. So what I've basically done is a clockwise loop of Mull. So the campsite is at the very southwest, and I've gone up the west coast all the way up to Calgary Bay, where I had a wee stop at Calgary Bay, along to Tobermory, and then back down the east coast and back along to the campsite. So all in I think it was about 120 something miles. 7.5 hours riding, which sounds a long time. Your average speed worked out at 22 miles an hour, but it is single track twisty roads the whole way, so it does take a bit of time to get round. So if you are ever coming up here, please do it, it's fantastic. Just have your wits about you on the roads, because some of the traffic does go quite fast for the single track roads, but it's absolutely fine, no issues, and really enjoyed it. So back down the road tomorrow. So thanks very much for watching this today, and next trip, I don't know where that will be, but hopefully I'll get another one in relatively soon. We'll need to wait and see, but thanks for watching, and please give me a wee like and subscribe as well. It does help the channel. Nearly 1,000 subscribers, so it'll help that grow and hopefully hit my goal by the end of the year. So thanks very much for watching, and ride safe. Cheerio.